I know getting an email saying you've made a sale is a great feeling, but when you realise it's only a sticker, it's easy to feel disappointed and think it's a waste. It's usually not much money because stickers are cheap, but actually they're a gateway to much bigger things for you and your passive income. This is because Redbubble takes your sticker sales into consideration when determining whether you should show up in the search results for customers looking to buy any product. So a sticker sale isn't just a measly 20 cents here and there, it's an opportunity to rank for all products that your design's featured on, which if you're enabling everything, that's over 70 different items, many of which result in serious profit. In this way, selling low-value products like stickers also increases your rank for high-value products like prints, comforters, and duvet covers, which give you between $30 and $60 profit per sale. You can use this knowledge to your advantage by leveraging sticker sales to rank higher in other categories. So although you paid less at first, it's an extremely effective marketing method long term. Stickers are one of the all-time best-selling products according to Redbubble, and they run frequent promotions such as this 50% discount offer when a customer buys 10 stickers, which is happening right now. Customers will pretty much always be searching for stickers ready to make a purchase. Now that you know this, there's a few things you can do to take it to the next level for your store and passive income. The first thing you should know is that you can easily edit and replace the product design for stickers individually in your portfolio. And in fact, you can do this for any item by going to Edit and then Replace Image. Many people see stickers as irrelevant and low-value items, so don't hesitate to disable them if they don't look right, not realizing their true value. Instead of disabling the sticker, amend your design so it looks good. For example, if your design doesn't work as a sticker because it's white and relies on a background color to show up, you can just invert the design and re-upload it so it shows up. If you've got little bits in your design that are white and wouldn't show up on the sticker, these can easily be adjusted in Photoshop or a free alternative like 𝗬𝗘𝗦𝗢𝗡. Just select the relevant areas of your design and make them darker by adjusting the lightness or changing the colour entirely. You can also entice customers to buy from your store by offering a sticker pack. So rather than just one sticker, they get a whole sheet of them for the same price. For example, if you've got one main element of your design like this one, then you could just duplicate that element as many times as you want in Photoshop to create a sticker pack. This represents better value to customers, so it's more likely that you'll make a sale and increase the exposure for all your other products. If you've got a design that wouldn't work well on a sticker due to being intricate like this, then you could offer a more simplistic version for the sticker pack where the design elements are just cut out and separated, which is exactly what this person did. Just remember that all these individual items in your design need to be apart from each other, because if they're too close, the machine that Redbubble uses to cut them out won't be able to do them separately, and they'll all peel off together, leaving you with an unhappy customer who they'll probably refund. You can check what the final product will look like when you've uploaded it in your portfolio, which will allow you to determine whether you need to make more space or not. If you're adjusting your design in this way, just make sure that you check for any pixels that you might have missed or accidentally moved around. You can do this by creating a layer under your artwork and filling it with a solid colour to see if anything needs erasing. Then, if you want to double check, you can add a stroke of a different colour to your artwork layer to see if anything shows up. You'll be surprised by how often a stray pixel appears that wouldn't be visible to the naked eye, but would be printed as a sticker for the customer. This brings me on to my next point about sticker types. Redbubble offers 3 kinds of stickers now: the OG that everyone knows and loves, also known as the matte sticker, which is the lowest cost and gives the least profit, the glossy sticker, which is mid-range, and the transparent sticker, which is the most expensive and most profitable. They're all enabled by default if you upload a new work, but if you're old school and uploaded your designs back in the day when there was only one choice, aka before July 2019, you'll have to go back through your portfolio and edit them to enable the new options in the settings. You can do this by editing the product, then in the availability and markup section, tick all the boxes. Enable magnets too while you're at it, because although they aren't stickers, they show up in the same category and are worth enabling. All stickers are available to buy in small, medium, large and extra large. The larger the sticker, the more profit that you'll receive, and if you're offering a sticker pack, it's more likely that customers are going to be buying a larger size, meaning that not only will you rank higher in the search results for making sales, you'll also get paid more too. The largest stickers actually cost about as much as a t-shirt and result in a similar amount of profit as well. Another reason not to ignore them. Stickers are great for beginners too, because the bar for making a sale is really low. Customers aren't necessarily looking for the best design ever, especially if they're taking advantage of an offer where they get 5 stickers for free. They'll likely be looking to fill their quota without putting too much thought into it like they might do for some of the more expensive products. This means that your sticker designs don't have to be amazing, they just have to resonate with a customer for one reason or another. You've already got a massive advantage over every other product on Redbubble because stickers are highly promoted, highly discounted, and highly sought after. People are constantly looking to buy them, so you just have to give them what they want. There are millions of potential niches to target, so rather than designing what you want, design what the customer is already looking for. Take advantage of the sections that Redbubble offers on their website, which are car stickers, helmet stickers, hydro flask stickers, laptop stickers, and the new magnet section. When you think about these specific areas and the sort of demographics that would buy something to put on their helmet or in their car or on their fridge, I'm sure you can come up with some popular ideas. Think about yourself or your friends or your family. What would you or they want on a fridge or car if you were buying one of these? If all else fails and you can't come up with any ideas, there's a free tool that lists the popular tags on Redbubble week by week, which I already covered in another video. You can click the card displaying now, and I'll leave a link in the description. This should hopefully give you some inspiration. If you're a beginner and don't have the skills to create something intricate, that's no problem. Text-based designs sell well on stickers too, which are quick and easy to make using free software like 𝗬𝗘𝗦𝗡𝗧, which I also covered in a previous video. If you come up with a funny phrase or joke or statement that you think will sell, write it down and get it uploaded. You never know what's going to be the next big thing. Here are some examples. Hang on, let me overthink this. Sorry I'm late, didn't want to come. Life is short and so am I. These designs are on the front page of Redbubble right now being recommended to customers and were probably made on a whim. It's no coincidence that they're also on the front page for t-shirts and journals and other products. They will literally be making thousands of dollars from these text-based designs. Redbubble is basically a big search engine, and getting your designs to rank leads to sales. Stickers are one of the easiest and most overlooked ways to do that. The more stickers you sell, the higher you'll rank for all of your products with the same design. The higher you rank, the more customers will see and buy your stuff, and the more money you'll make every month. This causes a snowball effect in that the more sales you make, the more you'll get seen. The more you get seen, the more sales you'll make. They reinforce each other, and once that snowball starts rolling, it can quickly become an avalanche. Most people want the avalanche without thinking about how it got started, a single snowflake. Think of sticker sales as the first snowflake that can eventually cause an avalanche. Don't overlook them or disable them. Use them to your advantage by taking the time to make them desirable to customers. Hopefully you found that helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up because that really helps me to rank on YouTube. You help me, I'll help you. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because I release new content every week that will help you with your passive income. And while you're here, check out these other videos that the YouTube algorithm thinks you'll like.